Hi everyone, my name is Ayu Aprilia Salsabila and today I would like to present a traditional story from Buol called Umbukilan. This legend explains the origins of the indigenous people of Buol and the cultural values passed down through generations. In ancient times, a terrible storm suddenly happened in Buol. Thunder and lightning roared loudly across the sky, while the sea became wild and dangerous. People were frightened because the weather felt unusual, as if nature was preparing for something magical. The waves rose higher and higher until they almost reached Pogogul Mountain. White sea foam spread everywhere like giant blanket covering the ocean. The atmosphere became mysterious and according to the story, this moment marked the beginning of an extraordinary event. From the middle of the giant waves, a beautiful princess appeared. Her name was Putri Kinumilat. She was described as graceful and shining, almost like an angel descending from heaven. Her arrival surprised everyone who witnessed the magical scene. After appearing from the sea, Putri Kinumilat sat quietly on a large rock near the shore. According to local legends, this place became special because it was where an important destiny for the people of Buol first began. At the same time, on Pogogul Mountain, a handsome young man appeared from a cluster of yellow bamboo. His name was Tamatau. People believed he was intelligent, wise, and chosen for a special purpose in the future. People believed that Pogogul Mountain was chosen by God as the place where Tamatau and Putri Kinumilat would meet. Their meeting was not considered an accident, but a destiny that would later shape the history of the Umbukilan people. Tamatau and Putri Kinumilat eventually fell in love and got married. They lived happily together on Pogogul Mountain. Their relationship symbolized harmony between strength, wisdom, and beauty in the traditional story of Buol. After their marriage, they were blessed with a son named Tanggalam Donolangit. His name sounded powerful and meaningful. He later became an important figure who continued the family's legacy and connected future generations together. Not far from them, another peaceful family also lived on Pogogul Mountain. The husband was Yakut and the wife was Anggumilat. Together, they had a beautiful daughter named Putri Jannatan. One day, Tanggalam Donolangit walked around the mountain and saw Putri Jannatan for the first time. He was amazed by her beauty and kindness. After returning home, he immediately told his parents that he wanted to marry her. Hearing their son wish, Tamatau and Putri Kinumilat visited Yakut and Anggumilat to propose marriage. Thankfully, the proposal was accepted warmly. Through this marriage, the two important families on Pogogul Mountain became united. After getting married, Tanggalam Donolangit and Putri Jannatan lived peacefully together. Later, they were blessed with a handsome son named Ismuh Magamu, who became another important descendant in the Umbukilan story. In another part of the mountain, there lived Lilimbuto and Lilimbato. According to the legend, they were believed to be descendants from heaven. Their family was respected because of their mysterious and sacred origins. Lilimbuto and Lilimbato had a beautiful daughter named Putri Janaure Sakilat. She was known for her beauty and gentle personality. Her future would later become connected with the descendants of Ismu Magamu. later, Ismuhumagamu married Putri Janaure Sakilat. They lived happily together and had 3 children. These children were considered very special because each of them possessed unique powers and sacred objects. Andogiripu possessed magical power called Samada. Angatibone had a special bird, and Daibore owned a sacred keris. These children later became legendary ancestors who represented strength, courage, and spiritual power. Over time, Pogogol Mountain became contested between 2 groups, the Ombukilan and the Manurung. The Manurung were believed to come from heaven, while the Ombukilan were known as the native people of Buo. The Ombukilan people eventually moved to Pinomula village. There, they worked together to build farms and gardens using a tradition called Mopalus, which means mutual cooperation and helping one another in daily life. In conclusion, the story of Ombukilan teaches us about unity, family, cooperation, and cultural identity. This legend is not only entertaining, but also reminds the people of Buo about their history and traditional values. Alright, that's all. Thank you for listening.